Welcome to Crazy Turtle. Thanks so much for joining me today as we get a little crazy with my version of chicken Parmesan. First, I'm using chicken thighs, which is different from your traditional chicken parm, and I am not breading it or frying it, so it's going to be a lot healthier. Here is my sauce tomate. I'll include a link to this recipe in my description, but if you do not have this traditional French sauce, you can certainly use canned tomato sauce. So I have mixed some herbs in this to kind of give it a little bit of extra oomph. And then for the pièce de résistance, I have 2 cloves of garlic sauteed in olive oil, and I'm just gonna stir that in. If you really like the garlic flavor, add another clove. I'm all about boosting that flavor up just a bit more. Make it yours. Again, I am deciding to use thighs instead of breasts. I think they just work really well because they stay so moist. And I'm just gonna drizzle this with a little bit of olive oil to just give it a little bit of extra moisture, but we won't be lacking for that. And then in this bowl, I have a mixture of Italian seasonings like oregano, basil, thyme. So whatever your preference is, go for it. And I also have a little salt and pepper. So I'm just going to baby these little thighs, massage those herbs in there. And when we are going healthier versions of things, we definitely want to have a lot of herbs and different spices. They are our friends instead of the fats of frying. And here is a little bit of chicken parm because I love my cheese. And this is about a cup and a half of tomato sauce. Again, I love having this on hand because this is such a versatile sauce. It fits so many different recipes. And to top it all off, a little bit more Parmesan cheese. So I'll just pop this into a 400-degree oven and should stay very moist for about 25 minutes. So I'll see you on the other side. So welcome back. After about 25 minutes in a 400-degree oven, my chicken Parmesan is ready. If you decide to use chicken breast, this will be closer to 30 minutes. And just as a quick reminder, chicken should have an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So check that before serving. So really, all of this needs is another dose of shredded Parmesan on top to serve. I am so excited to have this for dinner tonight. Thank you so much for tuning in to Crazy Turtle. Cannot wait to see you again. Take care.